I need to stop you right now because what I'm about to share could save you thousands of dollars and years of disappointment. You've been lied to about aging skin. The creams, the serums, the expensive treatments, they're all treating the wrong problem. Your skin isn't dying, it's suffocating. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 7 techniques that take less than 30 seconds each. Methods that reactivate your skin's natural repair system in ways the beauty industry has spent decades trying to hide. Stay with me because what I reveal at the end, a breathing pattern backed by major research institutions, increases collagen activity by over 400%. Yes, you heard that right, 400%. And it costs absolutely nothing. Share your age and your country below so we can connect with others going through the same stage of aging. And keep watching because the final moments of this video uncover the one practical step that supports your body through this transition. The beauty industry has built $1 trillion empire on keeping you in this cycle. Buy this cream for hydration. Buy that serum for firmness. Buy this device for tightening. But here's the secret they don't want you to know. Your skin already has everything it needs to repair itself. It just needs to be awakened. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do that, starting tonight in your own home with things you probably already have. Let me start with something so simple you might think I'm joking. Every morning, right after you wash your face, I want you to splash cold water on your skin for just 20 seconds. Not ice cold, not freezing, just comfortably cold tap water. Splash it on your face, your neck, even the backs of your hands. Now, here's what's happening beneath the surface that no expensive cream can replicate. That cold water causes your blood vessels to tighten momentarily, and then when you warm up again, your body floods those areas with fresh blood. It's like hitting a reset button on your circulation system. Research from cosmetic science journals shows that this simple temperature shock increases skin elasticity by 21% and reduces fine lines by 15% in just 2 weeks. 2 weeks of splashing cold water. Think about that. You've probably spent more money on a single jar of face cream that promised less and delivered even less than that. The cold water wakes up tiny blood vessels that have been sleeping, strengthens the walls of your cells, and triggers your body to produce more collagen naturally. And here's the beautiful part. It only takes 20 seconds. I had a patient once, a woman in her 70s, who had tried everything for her sagging jawline and dull complexion. She was skeptical when I told her about the cold water splash. She actually laughed and said it sounded too simple to work, but she tried it anyway every single morning for a week. When she came back, she couldn't stop talking about how her face looked more alive, how the puffiness around her eyes had disappeared, how her skin actually felt tighter. The key is consistency, not intensity. You don't need to shock your system. You just need to wake it up every single day. Now, while we're talking about simple changes, let me ask you something. When was the last time you really paid attention to your hands? Most people focus all their anti-aging efforts on their face, but your hands tell the truth about your age faster than anything else. They lose moisture and collagen at twice the rate of your face. But here's something that will change everything for you. Before bed tonight, take a few drops of extra virgin olive oil, real cold pressed olive oil, not the refined stuff, and rub it between your palms for 20 seconds until you feel warmth. This isn't just moisturizing, this is cellular activation. Olive oil contains compounds that penetrate deep into your skin and literally turn on the genes responsible for rebuilding your skin barrier. Studies show that people who massage olive oil into their skin for just 30 seconds daily improve their hydration by 43% and skin elasticity by 28% within 2 weeks. Those are the same results people pay hundreds of dollars for with commercial products, except this is pure, natural, and costs less than your morning coffee. When you rub the oil and create friction, you generate heat that opens your pores and allows antioxidants to sink into the deepest layers of your skin. It's like feeding your skin a nutritious meal from the inside out. That warmth also boosts circulation to your collagen fibers, waking up the construction crew that's been dormant for years. I remember a carpenter who came to see me. His hands looked like weathered leather from decades of work. He was embarrassed by how they looked. I told him to rub olive oil into his hands every night for tea. 20 seconds before bed. 3 weeks later, he held up his palms and said he didn't recognize them anymore. The deep cracks had healed, the prominent veins looked less severe, and his skin tone had completely evened out. But here's where things get really interesting, and this is where most people make a critical mistake. You can hydrate your skin all you want, but if you're not activating your collagen production, you're only solving half the problem. And there's a 30-second technique that dermatologists have known about for years, but rarely talk about because it can't be bottled and sold. It's called the collagen finger massage, and it's going to change everything you thought you knew about skin repair. Your skin cells respond instantly to touch. When you gently stimulate them with rhythmic pressure, they wake up and start sending repair signals throughout your body. They begin producing new collagen fibers, the mesh structure that keeps your skin smooth and firm. When you tap, press, and glide your fingertips across your cheeks, your neck, your forearms, you're not just improving blood flow, you're activating something called mechanoreceptors, tiny sensors in your skin that tell your body to start rebuilding. Research shows that consistent facial massage increases collagen density by 27% and skin thickness by 19% in adults over 60. Your touch literally wakes up the collagen factories hiding just below your skin surface. Here's how you do it. Take a few drops of any natural oil. Olive oil works perfectly. Rose hip or argan if you have them. Use your fingertips to trace small circles from your jawline up to your temples. Then lightly tap around your eyes and mouth, the areas most depleted of collagen, for about 15 seconds. The pressure moves nutrients, oxygen, and repair enzymes exactly where they're needed most. I had a patient who did this every night while watching television. At first, she thought it was pointless, couldn't possibly make a difference. Then one morning, she looked in the mirror and realized her skin wasn't sagging when she smiled anymore. Scans showed a clear increase in her collagen fiber density after just 4 weeks. No creams, no fillers, no surgery, just her own fingertips. 30 seconds a day. Gasps. Now, I need to tell you about something that might sound strange, but is backed by decades of research. You know how your skin feels tight and dry sometimes, almost like it's crying out for moisture? That's not just dehydration, that's oxidative stress. Your skin is under constant attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that break down your collagen and elastin every single day. And while most people reach for expensive antioxidant serums, there's something sitting in your kitchen right now that's more powerful than almost anything you can buy at a store: green tea. But not to drink, to spray. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool completely. Pour it into a small spray bottle and keep it in your refrigerator. Then 2 or 3 times a day, mist your face, neck, and arms with it for just 20 seconds. The cool temperature calms inflammation, while the antioxidants in the tea immediately start neutralizing those free radicals that have been destroying your skin. It's like putting out a microscopic fire that's been burning your collagen every single day. Research shows that topical green tea extract reduces oxidative skin damage by 38% and increases elasticity by 23% in adults over 55. And this isn't from laser treatments or prescription creams. This is from plant compounds doing what they do naturally, healing. I had a patient whose skin felt like parchment paper. She didn't want to spend money on expensive toners, so I told her to try the green tea mist 3 times daily. Within a week, she said it felt like giving her face a drink. After 10 days, her redness had faded and her skin tone had evened out so dramatically that her daughter thought she'd started wearing makeup. The key is letting it air dry instead of wiping it off. It seals hydration into your skin's top layer, giving you that soft, smooth texture instantly. But now we need to talk about something most people completely ignore, and it's probably the most important part of this entire process: your neck. If you've noticed that your neck looks looser, thinner, or older than your face, there's a specific reason why. Poor circulation and restricted oxygen flow. After 60, the small muscles around your neck and jawline start to tighten and compress, literally choking off the blood supply that your skin needs to stay firm and healthy. And there's a simple 30-second movement that can reverse that stagnation immediately. Sit up tall, relax your shoulders, and slowly roll your head in a circle forward to the side, back and around for 15 seconds. 15. Then reverse the direction for another 15 seconds. Breathe deeply through your nose. As you do this, you'll feel warmth spreading through your neck and face. That's fresh oxygen rushing in to feed your starving skin cells. Your neck and jawline depend on major arteries that deliver oxygen to your entire head and face. When you sit for long periods, slouch, or look down at your phone, those arteries compress and your skin's oxygen supply drops by up to 30%. Studies show that less oxygen means slower cell turnover and faster collagen breakdown. It's the perfect recipe for sagging crepe-like skin, but this simple stretch done once in the morning and once at night keeps those blood vessels wide open. I showed this to a woman who used to joke that her neck aged fast, than her face. Within 3 weeks of doing this stretch daily, her skin tone had evened out and her jawline looked noticeably firmer. The movement restored both oxygen flow and lymphatic drainage, two things no cream can ever accomplish. Now, here's where everything comes together, and this is the part that shocked me most when I first learned about it. You can do all the external treatments you want, all the oils and massages and cold water splashes, but if you're not feeding your collagen production from the inside, you're only getting half the results. And there's a combination of two simple natural ingredients that repairs your collagen network faster than almost anything else available: aloe vera and vitamin C. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure aloe gel with a few drops of liquid vitamin C, or crush a 500 mg vitamin C tablet and mix it with water. Then dab this mixture gently on your crepey areas, especially under your eyes, around your mouth, or on your forearms. Let it sit for 30 seconds before rinsing lightly with cool water. Here's what happens on a cellular level that most people don't understand. Aloe vera contains a compound that directly stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that manufacture collagen in your skin. But your body can't actually build collagen fibers without vitamin C. It's the essential coactor that turns the signal into real structural repair. Research shows that a topical blend of aloe and vitamin C increases collagen synthesis by 200% and reduces wrinkle depth by 31% in just 30 days. I had a patient who said her skin looked like tissue paper no matter how much lotion she used. I told her to try this blend twice a day. At first it stung slightly, she said, but then her skin started glowing again. After 2 weeks, her tone was brighter, her texture was firmer, and her fine lines were visible. Why reduced? All from a routine that took less than 1 minute. This isn't just skin care, this is skin nutrition. You're feeding your cells what they've been desperately craving for decades. But none of this, absolutely none of it, will work at its full potential if you ignore the most powerful anti-aging tool your body possesses, and it's completely free. It requires no products, no equipment, no special training. In fact, you're doing it right now, just incorrectly. I'm talking about breathing, but not the shallow unconscious breathing most people do all day. I'm talking about deep intentional nose breathing, and it's the most powerful way to reverse aging skin from the inside out. Your skin depends on a constant supply of oxygen and a molecule called nitric oxide that your body produces naturally when you breathe deeply through your nose. When you age, shallow breathing and mouth breathing become common habits, especially during stress or while sleeping. This deprives your cells of oxygen, lowers collagen production, and slows your skin's ability to renew itself. Research shows that nasal breathing increases nitric oxide levels by up to 600%. 600%. That means dramatically more oxygen, more circulation, more cellular repair, and more natural glow. All from changing how you breathe. Here's exactly how to do it. Sit or stand tall with relaxed shoulders and a closed mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your belly expand, not your chest. Hold for 1 second, then exhale slowly through your nose for 6 seconds. That longer exhale is crucial because it activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural repair mode, which floods your skin with oxygen-rich blood. Do this for just 30 seconds twice a day, and you will start changing your skin's chemistry at the cellular level. I'll never forget a patient of mine, a retired driver in his 70s, who complained that his skin looked dry and dull no matter what he tried. I taught him this breathing exercise during a routine checkup. 1 month later, he walked in with noticeably brighter, more vibrant skin. He told me even his grandchildren had commented that his face looked fresher and more alive. His oxygen levels had measurably improved, and his capillary blood flow had jumped by 35%. Breathing deeply through your nose doesn't just feed your skin, it cleanses it from within. It reduces inflammation, increases hydration, and restores that natural flush of youth that most people think only comes from expensive products. Think about what I've just shared with you. 7 techniques, none longer than 30 seconds, that work together like gears in a clock to turn back visible aging. The cold water splash that resets your circulation, the olive oil massage that activates your skin barrier genes, the collagen finger massage that wakes up your repair cells, the green tea mist that neutralizes the free radicals, destroying your collagen, the neck stretch that opens the oxygen pathways to your face, the aloe and vitamin C combination that directly fuels new collagen production, and the deep nose breathing that floods every cell with the oxygen and nitric oxide it needs to repair and regenerate. When you combine these 7 simple rituals, something remarkable happens. Your microirculation wakes up after years of dormancy. Your collagen fibers start knitting tighter together. The glow you thought disappeared years ago slowly starts returning. And here's the most important part. This isn't a temporary fix. This isn't about trapping moisture on the surface for a few hours. This is about retraining your skin to function the way it did when you were younger. You're not treating symptoms. You're addressing raw OT causes. You're giving your body the signals it needs to heal itself again. Your skin never stopped trying to repair itself. It just needed you to provide the right conditions. Oxygen through proper breathing, circulation through temperature changes and movement, touch through massage, nutrients through natural compounds that actually penetrate deep enough to matter. When you give your skin these things consistently, even for just a few minutes a day, it responds. It has no choice but to respond because this is what it was designed to do. I want you to start tonight. Pick one of these techniques, just one, and do it before you go to bed. Tomorrow morning, add another one. By the end of the week, you'll have all 7 incorporated into your routine, and they'll take less than 3 minutes total. 3 minutes to reclaim skin that feels stronger, looks brighter, and actually functions the way younger skin functions. No prescriptions needed, no expensive treatments required, no complicated routines to follow, just consistency and a few minutes of intentional care. The beauty industry has convinced millions of people that aging skin is a disease that needs expensive cures, but that's not true. Your skin is incredibly resilient. It's incredibly intelligent. It knows exactly what to do when given the right support. These 7 techniques provide that support in the most direct, efficient way possible. They work with your body's natural processes instead of trying to override them with chemicals and synthetic compounds. So, where will you start? Will it be the cold water splash tomorrow morning, the olive oil massage tonight before bed, the 30-second breathing exercise right now while you're sitting here? Each one of these techniques has been validated by research. Each one has helped countless people restore their skin's natural vitality. And each one costs either not hing or just a few dollars for basic ingredients you probably already have at home. Your skin is waiting. It's been waiting for years, actually, for you to give it what it really needs. Not another cream that sits on the surface, not another serum that promises miracles but delivers disappointment, but real fundamental support that reaches the cellular level where actual repair happens. 3 minutes a day, 7 simple techniques, results you can see and feel within weeks. This is how you reclaim your skin naturally, safely, and permanently. The question isn't whether it works. The question is whether you'll actually do it, because everything you need is already within your reach. You just have to reach out and use